Hi guys, welcome back. So today I just want to take you along and show you, while the weather's not rainy, what I picked up at the garden store yesterday. So I think I will do red, orange, and this mauve purpley color. It's so nice. So I picked these up at the garden center yesterday, and if you flip them over from the back, you'll see they're in a bag. They're tied, and if you look closely here, these are the directions on what we need to do. So we'll untie them, we'll make a hole, we'll add some new fertilizer and dirt, and then we will mound it on top. This one is called Terceira Grand Flora. And as you can see, it was only €4.15, which, not bad. This one was $4.70, and this one is supposed to be a very strong scent. So we are at the front gate right now. That is the opening on how you drive in. But all along here are a ton of weeds. So I want to clear that up, see if I can put some new compost down and plant these roses. So let's get to it. Minty, I can smell it. So it's been about 5 minutes and I cleared that one section. I'm hoping to do it all the way across, at least till the third post, right up until about here. I'd like to put the roses in between each of these pillars so that it comes up like a big bush. It's fairly easy, but a little time consuming, so let's keep going. Okay guys, the sun is going down, starting to get chilly, and I need to get inside to make some dinner for the kids. But I wanted to show you that you can totally see the moon. Yeah, really cool. So I didn't get all the way across the fence like I wanted to, but I got up to about the first pillar. It was a lot deeper and a lot rockier than I thought it was going to be. But we will pick up here tomorrow, okay? See you then. Bye. Hi friends, welcome back. So it is the next day, and I have cleared 2 sections of the wall. I still have to do one more, but I thought we'd get into planting before the weather turns because we are expected some rainfall, so I want to get at least 2 in, and if I have to wait for the 3rd, that'll be fine. So I want to show you, I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but in between each of the pillars is about 14 of my boots. I'm just doing it roughly by eye. So 14, so half would be 7. So I measured 7 and I dug a hole here in the middle. I have my compost here and one of my roses. So let's get to it. That's good. So I'm adding in some of my compost. Removing these big things. Hi, buddy. Hi.
What are you doing?
This is my first rose. Fly on my face.
Have you planted the raspberries?
Not yet.
Yay. I want to plant the raspberries.
Okay, well they're not going to go here because the roses are not supposed to go with any woody shrubs. I'm going to be gentle with removing this plastic. Ooh. Oh, awesome. Look at that.
Those are
Look
roses?
at that. These are roses. Look at the kind. You want to look at the bag? Go around so
That's
that you're not blocking
one
my
root.
camera. Go around me on the other side.
So that's one root that it's grown. Have you planted any here yet?
No, nothing.
Okay, so it's okay for me to step?
Yeah.
Ooh, you're putting this one?
Yeah, so that one is supposed to be perfumada.
Perfumada.
Perfumada is very perfumey. So I want this to be a little bit higher.
Can I go get gloves?
Sure.
Okay.
You know where they are?
No, I'll go off that.
They're in the bathroom.
Okay. I'll be right back.
So. All right, one done. All right, first one done. Now we are gonna do the one over there. And water around the base of the plant.
Can you do this?
You can do it.
What's the base? Like around
The bottom?
the bottom?
Yeah. You can use the whole water bottle on that.
You sure?
Yeah.
That good?
Yeah. Keep going.
That's good?
Use the whole water bottle. Yeah.
That's
The
good.
whole thing. The whole thing. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna open this one gently. Oh, look at all the roots in this one. Do you see?
Whoa!
So I'm
There's
Okay,
thorns
so now-
on this. We gotta take this off.
No, hold on. Okay, so we planted this one. Okay, and here's a last look at our roses that we had planted together just because I'm here. Look at that. We're getting new sprouts on both sides, which is such great news. That is the deep red. This is the, oh, look at that, right at the base. Oh, I even see some starting here, which is great. This is the orangey yellow, I think. Oh, look, I didn't even see that. There's more sprouts down there. Great. And this is the pink, I think. Great leaf formation on the top of that. Oh, it's not in focus. But lots of sprouts all over, which is great. And then this one is the white. I'm really excited to see what the white roses look like. It's supposed to be a very perfumey rose. And oh my gosh, these were just sprouts in the bag. And as soon as I planted them, they kind of flourished, which is so cool. And this is the last one, just a regular red rose, classic, but leaf formation is great. And it is starting to push new leaves. Oh, look, there's another small one down there. Awesome. Okay, friends, that does it for today. I am going to go get ready for Christmas. It has been a long day, but it warmed up so nicely. It's like 24 degrees right now, Christmas Eve, which never happens back in Canada. So this is so nice to be here and just enjoying my new plants that I put in the ground. So I am going to wish you all a very Merry Christmas Eve and a very Merry Christmas. And I hope you all join me in this journey, and we will see you next time. Bye.